Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're doing a model preview tour of the Belmont floor plan, part of the Patio line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Belmont here is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just over 1,400 square foot home with a 2-car garage. Let's walk inside and take a look at this lovely layout here. So with the Belmont, as soon as we come inside the entry, to the right, that is where you have your indoor laundry space here. And that is going to be the entry to your 2-car garage. Then we've got this hallway leading us to the kitchen area here. So you've got the side kitchen type layout. Well, first let's focus over here past the kitchen. Directly to the right you have your 2 guest bedrooms. There's guest bedroom number 1 and guest bedroom number 2. Both of these bedrooms having a 5-fold style closet door setup. And then we've got the guest bathroom here with the singular sink, the commode, and your combination tub and shower. Now back to that kitchen area here. So you've got this island here overlooking your dining room, and just past that is your living space. So nice open layout here with the kitchen. And then we've got your dedicated dining spot right here. And your living spaces right towards the back of the home here. Now, last but not least, on the inside of this home, we've got the owner's retreat. That's right here. So nice size owner's retreat here. And the owner's bathroom with the standalone shower now. You've got your commode, you've got the singular sink, and then you've got a walk-in style closet right here. All right, folks, so this is the Belmont floor plan, part of the Patio line of homes that you're going to find. If you're interested in this layout, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.